Hello YouTube. By the time you're watching this, you are probably having problems opening or maybe downloading a Linux link, or maybe opening a certain link. So for me, maybe I'll give you an example. If I want to download a browser, for them that don't know, it's a burning software where you get to burn your information in a disk. So perhaps this is one of the problems that you faced when you want to maybe download. I'm using Ubuntu for now, so if I want to click this link, it will take me to a certain place where maybe you've not seen it, and probably you've not seen these two links, and it just tells you you need a software to open the apt link. So let me take you to where to get this link. So if it just tells you to choose which application to open it, you just come here to choose, and I know you'll not find it in this platform, so you come to other locations, then choose the computer, then run all the way to the user, and then you go to the bin, and here you can come to apt. Sorry, it should be just one apt link. So apt URL at the very bottom. So at the very bottom, that's where you can come and click, and boom. So if you click it, on the right side you find the green button which says open, so you come and click. So if you just click open, it will start installing what you wanted to do. But for me, I've already installed browser. I was just showing you how to do it maybe in the future. I hope this video has been helpful. So the only thing I would request for you is just a subscription. So if you found it helpful, just click subscribe and share it with others. Thank you very much. Have a good time using Ubuntu or Linux platform that you're using. Thank you.